I got my brand new bed scraper, so whenever any of the prints is done, I can just simply scrape it. So I don't have to do it with the fingers and I don't have to break anything. I love how simple it was just to download it and print it. That's all you have to do, especially as a beginner. I love this. So if you're looking to upgrade or get into 3D printing without the hassle, I'm gonna say who I think this is for and who it may not be for. I think the Kobra X is a good fit for hobbyists and makers who want advanced printing beyond a single filament, designers creating multicolor prototypes or visual models, and small workshops needing flexible material options without the tool changing. But then again, it might not be ideal for users who want a fully enclosed systems for ABS and ASA heat retention, industrial tool changers with dozens of tools, and resin level fine details for miniature or jewelry. I think those use cases just often require different machine architectures. Alright guys, it's been a few days now and this is all I've printed so far, and it's been trial and error, of course. Starting off with this beautiful Porsche GT3 RS. This was my very first print. I learned quite a few things, like being more gentle when taking off the supports. As you can tell, I kind of broke off the wing and the side mirror, and this was my very first one, and I learned quite a lot. Now moving on, I wanted to play around with multicolor, so I decided to print Nemo. Now as you can tell, it wasn't quite successful. It definitely had potential, but at the end of the day I just had to learn the settings properly on the software. So this is all about trial and error, and the best part is that you won't waste too much material. So Nemo, sorry about that. Moving on, that's when I started to tweak the color settings so you can play around with the multicolor. These are some keychains. There's a nice little cute cat and the dog, and I'm just gonna put the hooks for the keychains. So this was after play around with the settings and being able to do multicolor, and then I started to play around with these tools. I printed this out to be able to take it off the plate easier. It's not holding up so well, so I'm gonna go ahead and print another one later on. But nonetheless, it does the job. Very good. I wanted to go ahead and play around with some wall decor. You just place it on the wall, and that's my boy Cristiano Ronaldo. Sure. That could be a nice little gift. This is a phone holder. You can just put the cow or pig, or it's a combination between a pig and a cow. What about a pal? And then we just put our phone. So I started playing around with useful stuff. This is my portable charging holder. It has two holders for USBs and it's currently charging my GoPro. And this is the cute kitty cat with multicolor and an orange bow. Overall, I've learned a lot and I still have a lot more to learn.